Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the location on your Gumtree account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gumtree website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your location in which you want to centralize your search, then you will see the location option at the top right corner. Then you will see the location section at the top, just alongside the search box. Just click on this and then type in the location that you wish to change into. Once you find this location, just click on it. And now, this will show you the search results based in this location. You can change the location at any time you wish by using the location tab at the left or at the top section. And through this, you will be able to look at the results within various different locations with just a few clicks. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the location within Gumtree in order to look for products or services. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.